But Samsung engineers, they were allowed, their executives up at the top allowed them to use ChatGPT because it was incredible. 2023, you could use it to do all kinds of research and everything. And so Samsung let them, their top engineers, help them to solve these problems. But unfortunately, that code, the part of the code that they were uploading into ChatGPT was sensitive information. Samsung, I don't know if you, Samsung is no joke. Samsung's competing directly with Apple, one of the richest companies on planet Earth. Samsung is a Korean company that's competing directly with China, directly with Japan's best technology. Samsung is no joke on several levels. And I believe the code that they put in had to do with their storage, because they've got some real innovative stuff at the time for storage. They put it into ChatGPT, and unfortunately, OpenAI's terms of service allow them to use your inputs to train their model. So now they're going to use your proprietary